Have you ever stopped to think about how much one person can change the world? Let's take a journey into a world that could have been, a world without one of the greatest minds in history, Albert Einstein. What if he was never born? At first glance, you might think, well, we'd just be a little behind in physics, right? But the reality is far more profound. Without Einstein, our understanding of the universe would be fundamentally different. His 1905 miracle year papers were like a series of intellectual bombshells. The most famous of these, E=mc, is more than just a cool equation on a t-shirt. It's the very foundation of nuclear energy. Without it, the development of nuclear power plants, which provide a significant portion of our world's electricity, would have been delayed by decades, if it happened at all. We'd likely be far more reliant on fossil fuels today, with all the environmental consequences that entails. But Einstein's genius didn't stop there. Forget about your GPS for a moment. The global positioning system relies on mind-bendingly precise timing. The satellites orbiting Earth experience time slightly faster than we do down here, thanks to the principles of Einstein's theory of general relativity. Without his insights into how gravity warps spacetime, our GPS systems would be off by several miles every single day. Getting to that new coffee shop, you'd need an old-school paper map and a whole lot of patience. Let's look even further. The photoelectric effect, for which Einstein actually won his Nobel Prize, laid the groundwork for quantum mechanics. This discovery explained how light can behave as both a wave and a particle. Why does that matter? Well, this principle is at the heart of so many technologies we take for granted. Solar panels, digital cameras, automatic doors, and even the sensors in your smartphone, all of them trace their lineage back to Einstein's revolutionary idea. In a world without him, our digital revolution might have been a quiet whisper instead of the roar it became. And what about our cosmic perspective? Einstein's theories of relativity didn't just give us GPS. They gave us a new way to see the universe. They predicted phenomena that seemed like science fiction at the time: gravitational waves, black holes, the bending of starlight. It was Einstein's framework that allowed astronomers to understand the expansion of the universe and the Big Bang. Without him, we'd still be gazing at the stars, but our understanding of their dance would be stuck in the era of Newton. We'd be missing a huge, beautiful piece of the cosmic puzzle. Beyond the science, Einstein's influence was cultural. He became a symbol of genius, curiosity, and humanitarianism. His iconic image, his passionate advocacy for peace, and his thought-provoking quotes inspired millions. He showed us that imagination is as important as knowledge. A world without Einstein would not just be technologically poorer, it would be culturally and inspirationally less rich. So, the next time you use your phone's map or see a picture of a distant galaxy, take a moment to appreciate the colossal legacy of a man who wasn't just a scientist, but a true visionary. His absence would have left a void far greater than we can possibly imagine. Thank you so much for joining me on this thought experiment. If you enjoyed this journey into an alternate reality, please hit that like button, subscribe for more content, and let me know in the comments what if you'd like to explore next. See you in the next video.